We just arrived to the Istanbul International Airport, and it's one, if not the largest airport in the world. They connect flights from all over the world. It's a major hub, and it's modern, incredibly big. All the stores you can imagine. It's like a shopping mall.
We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. We're on our way to Miami for a short start of our journey of a lifetime. Stay to the end for more details. Now I'll show you how awesome Istanbul Airport is. I believe right now Istanbul Airport is ranked the 4th largest in the world.
God, I can't believe all these desserts. They have a lot. Turkey, they like their desserts.
What? The Turkish delight?
They like their desserts. Look at how many different things. Cookies, baklava. Unbelievable. It'd be a nice gift to take home to somebody if you wanted to.
You have the high-end stores, but also there's stores that most people use.
Like they have an old bazaar in downtown Istanbul, and here they tried to replicate it. The old bazaar.
We bought some souvenirs here before.
Yeah, I know. The prices aren't bad at all. Not like most airports. They didn't have this many candies and stuff out before, maybe because it's for Christmas. Wow.
I believe right now Istanbul Airport is ranked the 4th largest in the world. I have no idea how they rank airports. They refer to total square miles, and I believe they're talking about runways and total ground. For example, Denver is ranked number 2. I've been to Denver, and Istanbul, it's quite different.
The stores are endless. The stores are endless.
Oh yeah.
Then they're completely stocked, fully stocked. Well, we're coming up to the holiday season. A lot of people are traveling out now. Look how busy it is. And it's not even Christmas. December 10th. No, December 7th.
There is a full department store inside the airport.
Yeah, Yed Tel Air is a place that you can go and you can rent a bed and sleep.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, they even have a museum, Istanbul Airport Museum. Never heard of that.
No, like,
And the prices here are like the same prices that you're going to get in downtown.
yeah, like Kiki. This is a department store. Like Macy's, like Target, you know, like.
It's a Waikiki. There you have them all over Europe. Just look at these sandwiches. One thing about Turkey, they have incredible cuisine. Wow.
We live 4 hours away, and Istanbul is the start for most of our journeys. I've been to many airports, and every time I come here, I'm blown away by the size and how passenger-friendly it is.
Seems like they keep putting in new stores every time we're here. Yes.
You have the high-end stores, but also there's stores that most people use. For the last few years, it's becoming more of a world hub, and more destinations are added. When we fly to the United States, we generally have a few flight changes and layovers. But now, we're finding there are direct flights to most destinations in the United States.
You hotel here. This way you rent a bed.
Yes. It's kind of a neat idea, and showers and everything. If you had a long layover and you just got in on an overnight flight.
That's all you need. It's a bed and a shower.
Yep.
I like that.
It's like a city in here. It's like a shopping mall. You know, you never know that you're in a airport.
It shows
Look at these. Look at this Lego.
Oh,
All made out of Legos. That's pretty
well,
cool.
Lego is a big brand now, you know?
Yeah.
Look at all the stuff you can make in these carbon Legos. You make a Porsche.
Yeah. Concord.
Who's playing?
I thought he was. What are they making in here? Look at this.
And some butter. Got some butter.
Oh, look at those little dumplings she's making from scratch.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Just one small plate butter for city.
Look at the TV screens. Every channel you want to watch. God, that place is huge. I don't remember being this big. But we didn't really walk around. Wow. You can sleep in there. Wow, look at these chef stations. What are they making? Oh, look at this. What are they? Oh, they're making those pizzas. Oh, they're like a pizza. Oh, those are so good. Wow. And these are those pretzel things. Zarko?
10 minutes. No, I'm not going to do it. Just curious how to job. I'm not doing a good job. I want to see how to do it. Looks like your bricks.
Yeah. They're like a sesame seed.
That's all about.
Man, this place is unreal. This is a lot nicer than Emirates, from what I remember. Like, they have chef stations making stuff. Look at all your drinks. Look at to your right. All the drinks you can imagine. You just help yourself. This is all free. If you fly business class or first class, you can pay to get in too, I believe. I don't know how much it costs. And it's very busy. Busy, huh? They have these little pods you can sit. No, they have conference rooms. Look at this. They have conference rooms. You can probably book a conference room and do some work. God, look at these lockers.
Yeah.
This is unreal. I never noticed all that. We never walked around it before.
Yeah, well.
Huh. Like there's so many airports where you can't find anything to eat. And this place is nothing but restaurants, dessert houses, coffee shops.
It's amazing.
It's incredible.
BB3.
Well, to give you an idea about what an international airport this is, here you can see people are coming and going, but anywhere between New York, Amsterdam, Berlin, Athens, Bucharest. What?
Lagos.
Huh?
Lagos, Boston.
Now they're going to Boston. We're, of course, going to Miami, but they're St. Petersburg, Bangkok, Thailand, Morocco, all over the world. Belgrade, Vienna,
Bologna, Prague,
Rome, Naples, Venice,
New York, Cairo.
Moscow, Casablanca, Warsaw, anywhere you can imagine they're going. Yeah, from Istanbul, they have direct flights to just about anywhere to the United States. They're long flights, but you can get there one shot. So it's a major hub. Fly into Istanbul, and then you have a direct flight to almost anywhere in the world. Oh, there's an express bar right there. You can get a massage. So we're going to be flying out of B3 on Turkish Airlines. 13 hours. Plenty of time. I think 2 meals, entertainment, etc. Sleeping.
Candlelight dinner. Our next video will be our visit in Miami. Miami is the start for the ultimate world cruise. 9 months with over 170 unique destinations in 60 plus countries, all 7 continents. Subscribe to follow us around the world.